Hey, Mr. Ullman, this is Jonas. I'm doing a recording for lab number 3, Bernoulli's equation coin jump. So before I started, I just made a quick note up here. I have the weight, the mass of the different pennies, or the penny, the dime, and the nickel that I was using for this experiment. Along with that, I have the diameter here, and then I also have the density of air. And then using that, I was able to solve the rest of the problem. So what I started with was Bernoulli's principle, which is P plus 1/2 rho v squared equals constant. P being the pressure, the force exerted divided by the area on which it's exerted. Rho is just the density of the fluid of air. So what I have here set up is P1 plus 1/2 rho v squared equals P2 plus 1/2 rho v squared. And then what I noted here is that the pressure difference between stationary air is V naught, which is 0, and then moving air would just be V. The upward force due to the pressure, what I have for that is P1 minus P2 times A, which is the area of the coin. And then from that I have area times 1/2 rho V squared from above. And then from there I was able to just pretty much plug in all the numbers I have. So in order to find the minimum velocity, this is the setup I have. And yeah, from there I plugged everything in. For here is for the penny, which 11.87 meters per second was needed. For the dime, 12 meters per second roughly. And then for the nickel, 15.06 meters per second. So question number 5 just asks to organize your calculation below and explain how you estimated the speed. So that's how I estimated the speed. And based off these estimations, we can say that the heaviest coin does need the hardest blow. And Bernoulli's principle states that when the speed of air or any fluid increases, its pressure decreases. So in this experiment, the fast-moving breath leads to a reduction in air pressure above the coin, which ultimately lifts the coin into the mug. And the heavier the coin is, the more, the faster the velocity needs to be to have a greater reduction in air pressure above the coin.